In this video, you'll learn how to use the currency converter in the RBC Mobile app. This tool makes it easy to check exchange rates and convert between different currencies in just a few steps. Once you open the RBC app, go to the bottom right and tap on More. Scroll down to the Services section and select Tools and Calculators. At the bottom, tap on Currency Converter. This will open a new tab with the Foreign Exchange tool. From here, you can choose the currency you want to convert from and the currency you want to convert to. For example, you can convert Canadian dollars to US dollars or euros. You can also enter different amounts, like $500 or $5,000, and the converter will show you the equivalent value in the selected currency. Feel free to switch between different currencies and explore the rates based on your needs. And that's how you can use the currency converter on the RBC Mobile app. It's a quick and useful tool for checking exchange rates before making any transactions. Always keep in mind that actual rates may vary slightly during transfers.